Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to protect your images by adding a watermark to a batch of photos using PhotoX. To get started, look to the right-hand side of the screen and click the Add button. You have two options here. Choose Add File to select specific individual photos, or select Add Folder to import all images from a specific folder at once. Let's add 6 photos here, for example. Once your photos are loaded, it's time to design your watermark using the large panel on the left. This area is divided into 2 sections. The top is for text watermarks, and the bottom is for image watermarks. Let's set up a text watermark first. Simply type your text, and you can also insert special characters here. Then use the settings to adjust the size, style, and color of the font. Apply text effects and change the text's opacity. You can also fine-tune the alignment and position to place the text exactly where you want it. If you prefer to use a logo, go to the Image Watermarks section below. Click the Browse button to select your logo file. Just like the text option, you can easily adjust the opacity and alignment of your image. Before processing, click the Preview button to see exactly how your watermark will look on the photos. Finally, specify your output folder where you want the new files to be saved. When you are ready, click the Add Watermark button, and the software will process the entire batch for you. You can find the watermarked photos in your selected output folder. And that is how you can watermark hundreds of photos in just a few clicks. We hope this tutorial helps you protect your images efficiently. Thanks for watching.